Hey team, welcome back. Today we are reading passage D, The Swimmer, from the third text in the Simple Comprehension series. The swimmer swam silently. There were no waves in the public swimming pool, though sometimes a swimmer in another lane would zoom past, creating a ripple. The swimmer ignored everything, focusing on reaching out her arms to complete long, slow strokes, just as she had been taught. The tepid baths were often quiet at this time of the morning, and that was how the swimmer liked it. Questions. What is tepid baths? Why would there sometimes be a ripple in the pool? How had the swimmer learned to swim? What did the swimmer like about the swimming pool? Now let's check the answers. What is tepid baths? Tepid baths is a swimming pool, or we could say public swimming pool or baths. All good answers. We can see those words here in the text. Why would there sometimes be a ripple in the pool? Well, this was because sometimes another swimmer would swim past. It mentions that here in the second sentence. How had the swimmer learned to swim? Well, they hadn't taught themselves. In fact, the swimmer had been taught. We could also say the swimmer had been taught to reach out their arms and complete long, slow strokes. So we know they've had some sort of teacher or swimming coach. What did the swimmer like about the swimming pool? They liked that it was quiet. It mentions this in the final sentence here. Thank you for your time. How did you go?